Welcome to INEHub. Are you ready to grab a rewarding opportunity with Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges? Here's an exclusive chance to earn cashback in Bitcoin while trading. If you don't already have a Binance account, sign up through our link and get free trading signals and more. Binance has launched its exciting deposit and trade to earn 1% cashback in Bitcoin campaign. Here's how it works. First, deposit a minimum of USDT into your Binance account. Next, complete trades worth at least USDT during the promotional period. And just like that, you'll be eligible to receive 1% cashback, credited in Bitcoin directly to your Binance wallet. Why join this promotion? It's simple and rewarding. Cashback rewards are delivered in Bitcoin, a valuable and growing cryptocurrency. It's the perfect opportunity to enhance your trading experience while boosting your portfolio. But wait, make sure you qualify. This campaign is only for verified Binance users. You must complete your trades during the campaign period to be eligible for the cashback. Before you dive in, remember to check the full terms and conditions on the Binance website. Stay informed and maximize your rewards responsibly. Ready to take advantage of this incredible Binance offer? Sign up or log in today to start trading and earning. For more expert tips, crypto reviews, and trading insights, subscribe to INEHub, your trusted partner in online success. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching and happy trading.